An important part of your air shift is going to be coming into the studio and recognizing the board configuration. Is this set up for all the purposes that you might need as a general music DJ on WBGU or Falcon Radio? The easiest way to do this is to make sure that the board is in a particular event, and that's listed on the right-hand side of the board where it says event. Air shift is a preset for the board that should give you all the audio input sources necessary to complete all the different things you might want to do, from the local microphones in the studio space to the CD players, the phone, remote broadcasting unit, the turntable, and the automation system. All those things are preset and available to you using that air shift event. So if you ever come into the studio and you're wondering, why are these audio input sources incorrect or not what I'm used to, you can check your event to make sure that you're in air shift. And if you're not, then right above the LED screen that says air shift is a black knob that will allow you to choose between different events or presets for the board, basically board configurations that exist. For every standard board operator or staff member at WBGU, you're going to be looking for the air shift event. Once selected, you have to hit the take button. At that point, it's going to reconfigure the board and all the audio input sources to be exactly the way it needs to be for you to get through a shift.